How do I remove melted aluminum foil from the bottom of a GE self-cleaning oven?
Steps: let the oven cool completely. Carefully scrape off as much foil as possible with a razor blade. Ventilate the area. Spray the oven cleaner on the spots. Leave the cleaner on the spots for about 20 minutes, then wipe the area clean. Repeat the process as many times as necessary to remove the foil. Wash the area to remove any remaining residue from the oven cleaner. Here is another common method for removing it as well. Naval Jelly Rust Dissolver, available at a hardware store. Steps: let the oven cool completely. Carefully scrape off as much foil as possible with a razor blade. Ventilate the area well. Put on gloves. Apply a thick layer of the naval jelly on the foil spots. Leave the jelly on the foil for 24 hours. Wipe the area clean. If needed, use a razor blade to remove more pieces of foil that have been loosened by the jelly. Instead of using a razor blade, you may be able to use a piece of tape to pull off the foil. Repeat the process as many times as necessary to remove all the foil. It may take 2 or more attempts to get it all. Wash the area to remove any residue from the jelly. Also, you can try this if you have some old towels. Get them good and wet with the water and ammonia and let them sit on the bottom on your oven for an hour or so to try and loosen up the foil. Or try spraying window cleaner on to get it good and wet and let it sit for a while. Most window cleaners have ammonia in it. If you have a plastic scraper, try gently scraping it to see if the foil will come off after it has soaked. I hope you have found this information helpful and are willing to rate with 5 stars at the top. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need further assistance.
The issue is the manual says not to use any commercial cleaning products on self-cleaning ovens.
Yes, because they don't want you to put the cleaner in there and then run the self-cleaning cycle again. As long as you thoroughly wash out whatever method you decide to use, you will be totally fine. I have done this myself many times before.
Okay, thank you.
You are very welcome. As I said, just make sure to thoroughly clean your unit out with water after you are done. Thank you for choosing Just Answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.